Well, good morning, guys. We're heading out on another teal hunt today. Truck is loaded down. What are we taking, Hunter? Just like a dozen teal decoys and 3 spinners again?
I brought 5 spinners.
5 spinners this time. Cora's with us? Yeah, there you go. She said hi. We're gonna get on the road here, and if you guys want to help support this channel, you can get a discount on any final approach gear. Like this is the waterproof shell. I absolutely love it for teal hunting because it's like just enough to cut that early morning cold, but not heavy enough to where it's too heavy to wear. So it's just an uninsulated waterproof shell. It's fantastic. So if you guys want to buy anything from the FA website, use the coupon code OUTDOORLIMITS. It'll save you 10%, and it'll also help me out along the way. So let's go ahead and hit the road. You ready to do this, Hunter?
Yeah, sure.
I think we'll be in good shape today. Let's load up. Let's load up. Come here. Load up. Channel. Good girl. Get in there. Get in there. Well, we're all set up and we are on the X. We are exactly where we wanted to be. There's a few other groups out here in the marsh today, so hopefully that kicks some birds around and gets everybody some shooting. Cora's all set up. Filming in the dark kind of sucks. You can't show anything. We got a dozen decoys, a bunch of spinners, and we're in the spot we saw them dumping into yesterday morning. So we're gonna just sit tight here. We're sitting in some cattails and some pretty sparse cover, but I think it'll be enough to get the job done. And we're gonna hopefully be shooting some teal here pretty soon. So stay tuned and make sure to smash that like button for me. There's 4 out front. Are you sure those are teal? Yeah. Sit. Cora, fetch. Here, 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 here. No, there's a dead bird. Heel. Heel. Dead bird. Here. Drop. Good dog. Here, do you want to hold your birds?
Yeah, you throw them over here. I've got one more right back there, right next to the one I just shot.
Oh, you shot 2?
Yeah, I got 2 already.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. I'll just whatever.
I don't like that.
You want that one?
Sit.
Another nice group coming down on the right.
Well, if I shot in that group, I would have shot at you.
In the decoys.
I can't even see. Cora.
3 for 3 right now, and I intend to keep it that way.
Did you kill that one or did I?
I killed that one on the right. You just got up and flew away.
Son of a gun. Here. Cora, here. Drop. Place. Place.
Second shot for sure.
Right here.
Remember how you said you didn't want to sail birds?
Back. See what kind of stuff she's got in her system today. Place. No. Good. Sit. We'll look for that one.
You got 1, I got 3. Let's get kind of fun.
How did I miss?
Another group on the left coming at us.
3 out front. I can't seem to hit the broadside of a barn today. I put my shot cam on funny.
What?
My shot cam's on funny.
Oh.
it's gonna be like sideways video. They're gonna split us. No, sit. Have fun with that one, Hunter. Sit. Quiet. Quiet. Cora.
Well, that's about the best it's gonna get.
Yeah.
Nice shot.
Thank you. Well needed. That's a good girl. Drop.
Right at it, right up front.
Place. Place.
Cora.
Is that you or me?
It's definitely you.
Drop. Place. Well guys, we've been having a heck of a day. Not in a good way. It's been a little rough. None of these birds are wanting to commit. They're just kind of veering off. Our hide is really not great, but I mean, there's nothing else out here that's better, so we're just kind of making do with what we got. But yeah, we're getting a few. I mean, Hunter's 2 away from a limit. I've got 2 here, and I've got a sailor that we still need to go find. But yeah, it's just been a little bit not as planned, let's just say. So hopefully we can clean things up here. Sun's out. They're gonna hopefully work just a little bit different. So nothing else to do but wait and see what happens. This one's breaking off. There's one low out front.
That's a green one.
The heck, man? Cora.
Thought about it, and then I was like, yep, green winged teal. You're done.
Hey, she might bring it to you. Hold your hand out. She'll give it to you. Maybe.
Give.
Drop.
No.
Drop. Come here. Oh yeah, dude. Here we go. Cora.
I love how she's like.
She's like a turbo spooling up when I send her.
Man, they really wanted to land on your side.
I know. A little bum that it took 3 shots to get it. Drop. Place. They're veering off.
Ready? Go. We're done.
Cora.
Nice. We're done.
Cora.
Nice.
I wasn't even looking at that group, Hunter.
Really?
Yeah, I was looking at the other one.
Oh, so you just heard me say go, and you just...
And then I found him. Yeah. I don't want to film it like this. Come here, buddy.
These guys are both standing there like, well, maybe we shouldn't leave.
Here. Drop. Alrighty guys, that'll wrap up today's hunt. We ended one short. We had one that I sailed and we just couldn't find it, so counted that one towards the limit. I got 5, Hunter got his 6. Dingling did pretty good today. I'm pretty stoked. It was a good day. So if you guys enjoyed it, leave me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested, click this video right here to keep watching some hunting videos. I'll catch you guys on the next one.